Hello everyone, my name is Johnny and I'm the curator of Tokyo Art Tank, and this is Tokyo Art Tank Volume 9. And if you didn't know, Tokyo Art Tank is an all-inclusive art exhibition, and we have artists from all over the world exhibiting many different kinds of artwork. We have pop art, we have portrait work, we have photography, we have a little bit of everything for everyone. So enjoy Tokyo Art Tank Volume 9.
Hi, I'm Jessy from France. I have a tattoo shop in France and I'm painting too. And I know Johnny for a long time, and when coming in France, he see my works and he asked me just come on in Tokyo for show your art. It's a really good feeling and a nice experience.
Hi, I'm Ken Tanaka, but I go by Ken Frog, and I do these round canvases with flowers in them. I'm not really good at, sketching or drawing something realistic, but I really like sketching. I really like rakugaki, which is basically doodling. So I'll get a flower and I'll start adding mushrooms and roots and new flowers to it. And I enjoy teaching people how to do it, and it's really meditative. Is that a word? Really relaxing process, and don't know what else to say.
My name's Adam. I'm a Canadian artist based in Tokyo, Japan, and this is my work. My last show was all about perspective and depth of field. This exhibition, I've gone the opposite, super flat. One question I'm asked quite often is, with a family and a full-time job, where do I find the time to make art? And this is where I'd like to speak to creative people. I'm talking to you, the artists. Don't wait for inspiration to make art. Just do the work. Once you're doing the work, the inspiration comes. Just do the work. I'm Adam. Peace.
Hi, my name is AYAH and I am from the Philippines, and these are my work. So this year, my inspiration, I dedicate this one for my mother. And then I know from heaven, she's looking right now, she's so happy that I did this. I am part of this creative organization, creative people. Mom, happy Mother's Day in heaven. This is for you. I love you.
Hey, so my name is Adam. I'm from London. I've been living in Japan for about 15 years, and I do street photography. So I usually shoot around Shibuya and Shinjuku area. And I've got a whole bunch of new work that I'm exhibiting. I have a zine as well, my night scenes. This was one from Shinjuku in Kabukicho. See you around, hopefully.
どうも、僕は太田翼と言います。こっちの、建物を描いたモノクロのドローイングとこういう怪物の立体をメインに作っています。最初に僕はこういう怪物を作り始めていたのは最初にこういう風に針金とかで骨格を作って、骨組みを作って、その上に布とか紙を貼って形を作っています。
Hi, this is mymee. I'm from Japan, Tokyo. I'm an artist about I'm drawing doggies and food because I love doggies and food. I'm enjoying my life and art. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Miki Meguro. I'm an artist of this artwork. I'm from Tokyo, and these are my artworks. And I painted in acrylic, and then this is my new style. I use the Arukido resin, and then this is my main theme of the tree. And then the tree is like a symbol of a human. I harmonize the nature and the society all together while painting. So I hope you can enjoy my painting. Thank you.
こんにちは。
異次元民芸創作所というマジカルブリンブリン作ってます。銀とシルバーで、あとクリスタルたちでいろいろ作ってるので見てみてください。
Hello, my name is Iain. I'm from England and I've been living in Tokyo 25 years. This is my artwork. I use acrylics and my work represents my life in this amazing city, Tokyo.
Hello, welcome everybody. My name is Tony Byker. Welcome to Gallery Conceal. This is my work. As you can see, these are the major players who transformed our life in the last 3 years. Yes, they're all here. So, yeah, it was a lot of fun. 3 years of madness and we're coming out of it. So great.
Hi, I'm Tania. I am from America. I'm from Chicago. And this is my artwork. I am a fiber artist here in Tokyo. I basically replicate ukiyo-e. I make embroidery on paper. I also fiber dye. I do a lot of mixed media. I also make my own washi, and then I did embroidery on top of that, plus the dye and tote bags and everything. But yeah, that's basically my work. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Erik Bishop. I'm originally from Phoenix, Arizona, and this is my collection. This collection is at its core based around change and the desire to change. Thank you.
My name is Craig Chivers. I'm a Tokyo-based artist. I'm originally from Canada. This is the second time that I've joined the Tokyo Art Tank, which is an amazing show with so many great artists. My works here are done with 100% organic, natural, 100% biodegradable, vegetable-based oils, resins, wax, beeswax. Nothing that will turn into microplastics was ever used, so when I die, these things will return to the earth, just like I will do. No electricity was used, no photography was used, no digital sources were ever used. Everything is entirely from reality and imagination.
Hi, my name's Nepo. I'm a Tokyo-based British artist. My parents are from Trinidad, but I've never been to Trinidad. So my artwork is about hybrid cultures and me trying to connect to a culture that I don't really know. I'm multimedia. I usually do acrylic on canvas, but I also do digital work, performance art, and I also do house and techno music. So I produce sound sculptures as well. Thank you very much.